BrandBook brings everything together into a shareable brand guidelines document. No input needed, it's already built. 10 sections, all compiled automatically. Update anything in a previous module, and the BrandBook reflects it in real time. Strategy and identity. Everything from BrandDNA and BrandCore. Business foundation, vision, positioning, audience, values, archetype, personality, essence, all here. Logo guidelines. Primary logo, 5 variations. Background usage with automatic contrast, clear space rules, and 8 usage do's and don'ts. Color system with psychology and usage rules. Typography with the complete type scale and best practices. Patterns, icons, illustrations, photography direction, and 12 visual design principles. Voice persona, dimensions, and 10 tone variations. Messaging with pillars, audience adaptations, vocabulary, and story frameworks. Hand this to any copywriter, and they'll know how the brand speaks in 5 minutes. 9 mockups, 8 social media assets, favicons in light and dark mode, and 12 branded UI components. Everything downloadable. Complete brand kit as a zip file, the full brand guidelines PDF, or individual files by category. The guidelines in PDF form. Professional cover, your name, and all the BrandBook assets and data. This is what you send to a client or your team. Same content, but now as a standalone website with its own URL. Your client, your team, your agency, anyone with the link can browse and download everything. Public or password protected. No account needed for viewers. That's BrandBook, a live digital guidelines microsite for you, your team, and your clients. Always up to date.